Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this Starbucks cake. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Start with some melted white chocolate. Pour that into the bottom of a plastic cup. Coat the sides and chill for 15 minutes. Then melt some dark chocolate. Using a paintbrush, we're going to carefully paint that over and above the white chocolate around the sides of the cup. Chill that for 15 minutes. Then mix a little bit of dark chocolate in with some white chocolate and pour that in the middle. Swish the cup around to coat all the inside. Chill for 2 hours. While it's chilling, get a drinking straw and squeeze in some melted colour green chocolate. Chill for 30 minutes. Now let's peel our chocolate cup away from the plastic cup. Pop in some chocolate cake, some coffee concoction, coffee buttercream, mini marshmallows, some crushed biscuits, and another layer of chocolate cake. Let's layer it up the same way. Now let's top it off with some white buttercream icing and some crushed biscuits. Then remove your set chocolate straw and pop that in. Let's put the logo on the outside of the chocolate. And there you have it, Starbucks cake. Just slice it down the middle and enjoy.